How to download Fortnite on iPhone. This is super easy to do, just follow these quick steps. First, open up Safari and in the search bar, Google Epic Games iOS. Click on the first website that appears in the search results. Once you're on the site, tap on Install on iPhone or iPad. A message will pop up that looks something like this. This clip is from a previous tutorial. Just tap OK when that appears. Now head over to your phone's settings. Inside the settings, you should see an option that says Allow apps from Epic Games. Go ahead and tap that to confirm the installation. Back in real time, once you've confirmed that setting, the Epic Games Store will be installed on your phone. Open it up and it'll look like this. You'll see Fortnite listed right at the top. Tap on Install and then again, choose Install App. Your phone will likely ask for Face ID verification. Just go ahead and approve it. Now Fortnite will start installing on your iPhone. Give it a few moments to download, and once it's done, tap Open. Fortnite will launch, and you're ready to start playing on mobile. Hope this guide helped you out. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.